Ang balay nilibay-libat.
Ang bahay nilibay-libat.
Oh, very good. Pas-pasa. Balay nilibay-libat.
Ang bahay nilibay-libat.
Ang Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Happy. Happy birthday.
Push more. Cut. Which one? Okay, cut. Yes, cut.
Natulog, no?
Are you sure? Wala. Kiss you.
Ba't ka
Sige lang.
Ba't ka?
What is your name?
My name is Aisha.
Nice name you do have. How old are you?
8.
8 years old. That means you're grade 2 or grade 3?
8.
Wow, advanced. Alright, since you're grade, if you don't mind me asking, what is your favorite subject in your class beside recess, break time, and dismissal?
Dismissal.
What do you love? English, science, or math?
English.
English. So, Bere, what is your name?
Farah.
Farah. Is your mom here?
Yes.
Where's mom of Farah? Raise your hand, please. Okay. How about you, Daddy? Is he here also? Imong papa na Asa man? Papa or Daddy? Where's Papa? Papa or Farah? Raise your hand. Asaan na? Lubog po. Kusa matapog kasubok na simulit ko. Lumis tabangan ni bata. Asa ang papa ginamit? Ha? Asa ka nang sa likod? Ikaw sir, ikaw ang papa? Wait ang tamot sa diwan siya kayo na. Sabi siya, hi pa!
Hi, Pa.
Wait, magkabot, wait.
Hi, Pa.
Pa! Si ma'am, by the way guys, si ma'am murag pang miss you, si papa pang pulsihan. What more na, I love you, papa!
I love you, Papa.
Papa! Love you, papa! Joke lang siya. Ay, ready na ka? Ready na? So, mo lang buhatan mo siya. Okay, there you go. Hi! Hello! Hi! Hello! Joke lang. Bray, hi Bray! Happy birthday! Bray, listen Bray! Bray! See, this time around, you're just gonna shout happy birthday to me. You're not gonna shout your name because you're brave, right? You do this. Happy birthday to me. Like that. Can you do that? Yes? Okay, make that one just like you did, okay? Guys, a round of applause for her. Shout happy birthday to me. Go. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me.
Yay! Come over here. Hi, hi, hi. Don't go yet. We're gonna have a chocolate. Alright. Just like the others. Okay, there you go. Who else? Doon sa baba. Oh, ali kuya. Ali kuya, ali kuya. Okay, here. Kuya, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you? Oh, no. Your name first. Oh. Sa pangalan mo? Jenril. Jenril? How old are you? 10. Wait, kawasan mo tayo bulag. Ha? Oh, yes. Pero 9 pa ka. Officially 9 pa ka, no? You're going there. But, if you don't mind me asking, ako na ako nabantayan mo. You're handsome or... This man, but yet this tall, right? And what? 1, 2, pick up! Alright, so your name is? Sky. Sky. Okay, Sky, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so no fire though, so that we're gonna have another game going on after this. Guys, I don't pass the Sky. Okay, Sky, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday,
Congratulations! Sana all taas! Hi, Mami! I like Kinto, Ma'am. Daog na. Hi! Madam, ay mong kalimut. Jennifer, ha? Okay. Alright, just like that. Pero sample pa to siya. Okay? So, Mami's team, ready na mo pretty sure, right? Daddy's team, are you ready? Before we start, pak everyone! Okay? Sige. So, let's start the first round. Listen. First round. Okay, how do we jump arrange your group according to arrange your group according to your birth month from January to December? Go! Basin sa iyo, ha? Pero sa iyong birthday? January 5, ano ikaw? January 10. O, January dapat ikaw, March! May 2. May. Yung sa malas July. Ibon sa mong July, pagkaroon. July ikaw? July 25. Si Mami! Daddy's team, have a big chance now. Where's the big time? One more! Okay, one more. Listen. Alright, another round. Listen, alright. Everybody jump out range. You're going to everybody jump out range. You're going to your age from 1 to 100. Go! 5, 4, Sir, nakag-shout. Ikaw lang, wala pa naman sir. Sorry to be sir. Sir, alam mo ka, babasin sa'yo. Hi, how old are you? 4, how old are you? 8, how about you? 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bilang. Tunod, ano yung man? Hinaya lang, masakpan. question. No microphone. No need to ask.
Hoy, grabe ka!
Wala pa! Wala pa! Gusto nita, kaya pa lang. Boy, sir, mas ako pa. You're going. Matay na mo. Alay!
Later ha, later. Ayaw mo na eh. Alay na ikaw ka, hindi ko ito mamadali na.
Ayan, video. Hi, video. Matrix deh, wala deh. Ini pasal do joto kan to. Au. Badde kan. Ada bolo. Another. Gusto natin. Boy, kita nak boy.
Too long, I guess it's time for me to come home. 'Cause I'm on my way. Sa tabi-tabi, solidamelo. Yes, 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 Alessandro. Not that woman, Alejandro. Mommy, Alessandro. Sabi tayo, pero si Pilipo, hasi bang bang. Sabi tayo, pero buscando, pero mama.
Wala man.
Nagsugod og letter H as in happy. Hator. Hector. Julio.
Henry.
Ay, kinsa na si Henry man? Happy.
Harold.
Harold.
Harvey.
Harvey.
Harriet.
Okay, Henry. Murag man ang Henry, sir. Ali, sir. Sir, na to, sir.
Johnny was a shy guy and a little bit weird too. He never ever had the courage to make his dreams become true. And he had one desire to dance and break free. But he was afraid of one thing, that what the other people would think and say. He asked himself the question, what if this is my last day? And he realized that once he'll die anyway. So he went downtown to a club where freedom was allowed. Right into the crowd and started shouting out loudly. And finally he could let it out. And guess what he said? at this guy, he is dancing so good.